All right, here's part two of the paw drawing. Um, I'm going to show you how to change the visibility and extrude things at different heights. So going back to where we left off on the paw, I showed you how to do the offset, how to use the arc tool and then do the offset button to trace out these. And you can see I finished the other claws and the bottom of the paw. Now I'm just going to use my offset button to select each one of these and make them large enough to fit inside around the gray area of the claw, and it makes it really easy just by using the offset button and selecting an outline. You can just trace it really quick and bring it in, and there you go. The next thing we want to enclose all these with the arc tool again. So you're just gonna snap onto part of the drawing where you need to put small little arcs to close that paw out, and it should be fairly quick. Um, just like so. There's only 5 different lines. Again, make sure everything is connected. If you have any openings, you're not going to be able to extrude. You may also have to zoom in closely to get it to snap where you would like. So there you have it. I am done tracing the paw. Now I want to extrude, so I'm going to, like everything else, finish your sketch. And you're going to go to the extrude button, and you have to select what it is that you would like to extrude first. So I think I would do the inside of the paw. It doesn't matter what you guys choose to do. You may also have to navigate around to see different parts. And then I'm not going to make it 1 inch thick. It's kind of large. I'll probably start with a quarter of an inch. Okay, and you can see it extruded those parts, but now I no longer see the paw to be able to extrude the other parts. So if you come over here to the model browser, the left-hand side, and you click on the plus arrow under the first extrusion, and you go to the sketch. And if you right-click on that sketch, you see visibility. And if I select that, you can see the picture comes back, and now I will be able to extrude the other parts. Um, and again, it doesn't matter how you do this, but you're going to extrude 3 different heights. And if you want to do a different drawing, say a sneaker or something, you could extrude as many heights as you want. But we're just doing 3 for this project, so you guys get an idea of how to do it. Extrude, and let's say this part of the paw, if I select this, um, I do not want it to come out the same distance as that. I'm probably going to go in just a little farther. I'll make that 1.2, and you can see the heights are, if I zoom in, the heights are different, just to give it a little more detail. And then the last step would be the outlines of the paws. So I'll do extrude again, and then may have to zoom in and select each one of those. And then again, I can change the distance. You can make it shorter. You can make it, taller. I always do 0.15 for this one, and you can see they can do the details. So you have 3 different heights. You got the low one, you got the middle, and then you got the high end. The last step for this project is obviously you want to put your name in here somewhere. So again, choose your 2-dimensional sketch, select the surface that you'd like to draw on, and then you're going to use your text tool, just like you did on the last project with the star, and you're going to write whatever text you want in there. Then you can change the size here, and you can change the style of the font, but you can also, after you type it, like I showed you last time, I'll just do Rob real quick, click OK. You can use the scale tool and the rotate tool to orient that where you want. Rotate, again, it's a 2-step process. Select the object you want to rotate, then you click a center point and get it to the orientation or the direction you want it. And then the scale tool, same thing. Click on the object, then click on a base point and drag it out to get the size you want. And then after you do that, you can just move it where you want, finish your sketch. And again, you're going to, I like to orient. You can extrude. You can extrude it to come out. You can extrude it to cut in. I'm going to cut this one in. You can change the distance, go all the way through, or just go a little, and click OK, and there you have it. It's the paw project. When you're done, make sure you save it, take a screenshot, turn it in, show me, and that's that. Good luck.